Hey guys, Josh Finn here from J&H Aerospace with a Starstreak that's, a little smaller.
Honey, I shrunk my plane.
Yeah, this is a 55% Starstreak for E20, and it is designed to be optimized for the new E20 rules that are shortening the fly-off runs to 8 seconds. So that means it's a little bit quicker. Now this one is, it is literally a true Starstreak, carbon spars and everything. Now this one has a little tidbit to it, which is there are options you can follow. You can, like most E20s, Velcro your battery to the bottom. However, I have my battery inside the pylon. And so a 1S250 fits all the way down in there. And so after you assemble the pylon, you cut a little hole here. You do have to snip through the plywood with a Dremel tool or side cutters to clip it free. And the front's still strong enough even after that. And then you cut a little hole for your battery wires to come through. Now I'm direct soldering a lot of things on here to reduce internal resistance, and that's just to get a little more performance out of this. This does have a BMK radio dethermalizer on it. These newest radio dethermalizers do have an inductive braking system on them, so it helps get the propeller stopped quicker. But in general, it trims out just like a regular E20. This is the Super E20 motor mount, and trim it out with a lot of right rudder, and I've shimmed out a lot of incidents. I did have a lot of wash in on this, probably more than you really need, but this airplane's fairly insensitive to that. So we're gonna fly it. This will be a 4-second motor run. And sometimes if you don't launch your airplane properly into that right-hand turn, it gets a little exciting for a minute. And down we come.
Mm-hmm.
All right. There we go. That's more like it. That is a legal E20 setup. The airplane is actually slightly over the minimum weight. You can see how high we've gotten up there. And that's just, like I said, a 4-second motor run. Just keep it away from the fence line.
Sorry, guys.
That high enough for you? I think that's high enough. Now I'm gonna have to get it off the roof of the house. Oh, nice.
So what do you think, guys? Does he get extra bonus points for making the perfect landing?
I landed it.
Because yes, that is where it landed.
Alright guys, I believe I've made my point. You want this airplane, it's fun, goes up pretty quick. The power system, everything on this airplane is available from us here at J&H Aerospace. Battery, motor, dethermalizer, and so on. So, check out the Starstreak. Come fly E20 with us at the Nats. It is an official event this year. We'll look forward to seeing y'all. Hi, I'm Josh Finn. This is Hope. We are J&H Aerospace.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
Also, how about subscribe to our channel and check out jhaerospace.com for new free flight products and all of the tooling that you'll need to build them.
Thanks for watching.